Shahid Afridi, known as Boom Boom Afridi, was born in Khyber Agency, Pakistan in 1980. From a young age, Afridi loved playing cricket. He grew up in a small town, playing cricket with his friends on dusty streets and open fields. His family supported his dreams, even though life was not easy. Afridi was talented and passionate about cricket. He practiced every day, improving his batting, bowling, and fielding. He dreamed of playing for Pakistan and representing his country on the world stage. At the age of 16, Afridi got his big chance. He was selected to play for the Pakistan national cricket team. Everyone was surprised because he was so young, but Afridi was confident. He believed in himself and worked hard to prove he deserved the opportunity. In his second match, Afridi became a sensation. He scored the fastest century, 100 runs in one-day international ODI cricket history at that time, in just 37 balls. This incredible achievement made him famous worldwide. People started calling him Boom Boom because of his powerful hitting. Afridi's cricket journey was not always easy. He faced criticism when he didn't perform well in some matches. But Afridi never gave up. He said, "Failures teach us how to work harder and come back stronger." He focused on improving his skills and kept playing with passion. Afridi was not just a great batsman, he was also an excellent bowler. His leg spin bowling often surprised batsmen. Over the years, he became one of the most successful all-rounders in cricket history. Apart from his talent, Afridi was known for his leadership. He captained the Pakistan cricket team and led them to many victories. Under his captaincy, Pakistan won the T20 World Cup in 2009. This victory brought joy to millions of fans. Afridi was also a kind-hearted person. He used his fame to help others. He started the Shahid Afridi Foundation to provide education, healthcare, and clean water to poor communities in Pakistan. He believed that true success is helping those in need. Throughout his career, Afridi played with passion and energy. He became an inspiration to young cricketers in Pakistan and around the world. He taught them that hard work, self-belief, and dedication can help achieve any goal. After retiring from international cricket, Afridi continued to play in various leagues and worked on his foundation. He often told young players, "Never stop dreaming. If you work hard, you can achieve anything." Today, Afridi is remembered as one of the most exciting cricketers in history. His life story shows that even a boy from a small town can become a legend if he has determination, talent, and a big heart. As Shahid Afridi's fame grew, so did his responsibilities. He understood that being a role model meant more than just performing on the cricket field. He used his platform to inspire young people, especially in Pakistan, where cricket is a passion shared by millions. Afridi often visited schools and cricket academies to motivate young players. He would tell them, "When I started, I didn't have fancy equipment or big facilities, but I had determination. That is the most important thing." His words encouraged many young players to chase their dreams. Despite the challenges they faced, one of Afridi's greatest qualities was his never give up attitude. Even during difficult matches, when the team was struggling, Afridi remained positive. He believed in his ability to change the game with just one good over or one strong batting performance. His teammates often looked to him for motivation during tough times. As his career progressed, Afridi began focusing more on helping others. His foundation, the Shahid Afridi Foundation, worked tirelessly to support underprivileged communities. He built hospitals, schools, and clean water projects, particularly in rural areas where people lacked basic facilities. Afridi said, "My success is not just for me. It's for the people who supported me throughout my journey." In 2016, Afridi retired from international cricket, leaving behind a legacy of over 500 international matches and countless unforgettable moments. His retirement, however, was not the end of his journey. He continued to play in domestic leagues, inspiring fans and young players with his energetic performances. Shahid Afridi's story is a testament to the power of dreams, hard work, and kindness. From a boy playing cricket in the streets to becoming an international icon, Afridi proved that determination and a big heart could achieve wonders. His life continues to inspire millions, showing them that with passion and effort, anything is possible.